What do you do when you need to travel someplace new? Maybe you find an address on your phone and then follow a route on a map. But did you know maps can take your career to new places too? Spatial analysis is a set of skills and techniques professionals use to make sense of all kinds of data that can be displayed on maps. Business data, health data, environmental data, even data firefighters use to respond to emergencies. The U.S. Department of Labor refers to the businesses and government agencies that use spatial analysis as the geospatial technology industry. The DOL has identified geospatial technology as one of the fastest growing technology fields. Learn how spatial analysis can help advance your career or business. Esri, the world's leading provider of geospatial software, is offering a free online course to help you find your way. This intermediate level class is for motivated people who want to learn more about the capabilities of spatial data analysis. Students get free access to the analytical capabilities of ArcGIS Online, Esri's cloud-based mapping platform. This 6-week class takes only 2 to 3 hours of study per week. Sign up today to save your place. I'll see you there.